Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The Fujifilm X Pro4, a highly anticipated camera, promises to redefine the landscape of APS-C photography and videography. This successor to the acclaimed X Pro4 blends vintage aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, captivating both professional and enthusiast photographers. A legacy of innovation. The X Pro series has consistently pushed the boundaries of digital photography. The original X Pro1, with its hybrid viewfinder and rangefinder-inspired design, disrupted the market. Subsequent iterations, such as the X Pro2 and X Pro3, introduced significant improvements, including enhanced autofocus, a hidden LCD screen, and refined film simulations. These cameras have consistently resonated with photographers who value both form and function. The X Pro4 builds upon this legacy, incorporating innovative features while maintaining the series' distinctive character. This commitment to balancing tradition and technology has solidified the X Pro series' position as a favorite among photographers who appreciate unique and thoughtfully designed tools. Redefining imaging. At the heart of the X Pro4 lies a rumored 40-megapixel APS-C X-Trans 5 BSI sensor, a significant leap from the 26.1-megapixel sensor in the X Pro3. This new sensor promises exceptional detail and clarity, making it ideal for a wide range of photography styles, from intricate landscapes to close-up portraits. The backside illuminated design of the sensor enhances light-gathering capabilities, crucial for low-light photography. Additionally, the broader dynamic range ensures greater detail in both shadows and highlights, allowing photographers to capture stunning images even in challenging lighting conditions. This level of detail extends beyond mere resolution, capturing the essence of every scene with remarkable fidelity. Advanced autofocus and performance. The X Pro4 is expected to feature a significantly improved autofocus system, building upon Fujifilm's recent advancements. With more autofocus points and refined subject tracking algorithms, the camera promises exceptional precision. Real-time eye detection, a standout feature for portrait photographers, ensures sharp focus on the subject's eyes even in dynamic or unpredictable scenes. Paired with a high-speed processor, the X Pro4 is designed for lightning-fast performance, enabling photographers to capture fleeting moments with ease. Whether shooting fast-moving subjects or working in dimly lit environments, the camera is designed to deliver sharp, well-timed results. This level of performance is crucial for professionals who rely on their equipment for consistent and reliable results. Professional-grade video capabilities. The X Pro4 is not solely a photography tool. It's also a powerful video camera. It is expected to support 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth and detailed video footage for both professional projects and personal creative endeavors. The addition of 10-bit color depth allows for more vibrant visuals straight out of the camera, minimizing the need for extensive post-processing and allowing videographers to focus on storytelling. Fujifilm's signature film simulation modes add another layer of creative control, making it easy to achieve cinematic looks directly within the camera. In-body image stabilization, offering up to 7 stops of stabilization, is a game-changer for handheld shooting. This feature ensures smooth and stable video footage, even in challenging conditions, providing videographers with greater flexibility and creative freedom. Timeless design with modern refinements. Fujifilm has consistently demonstrated its ability to blend retro aesthetics with modern functionality, and the X Pro4 is no exception. Its timeless rangefinder-inspired design is expected to remain a key feature, appealing to photographers who value the tactile experience of using a camera. Rumors suggest subtle refinements to enhance usability, including improved ergonomics, better durability, and thoughtful tweaks to the overall design. While maintaining its classic look, the X Pro4 is expected to feel even more intuitive and comfortable in the hands of its users. This combination of style and substance sets Fujifilm apart, ensuring that the X Pro4 not only looks good but also performs at the highest level. Positioning in the market. The X Pro4 is expected to be priced between $2,500 and $3,300, placing it firmly in the premium segment of the market. This positioning targets professional photographers and serious enthusiasts who demand the highest levels of performance and are willing to invest in a premium tool. The anticipated release timeline mid-2025 suggests a thoughtful approach to product development. Fujifilm is known for its meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that each model meets the highest standards before release. This commitment to quality has earned the brand a loyal following in a fiercely competitive market. Impact on the APS-C market. The X Pro 4 represents a significant step forward for APS-C cameras. Its 40-megapixel sensor, advanced autofocus system, and professional-grade video features set it apart from the competition. While brands like Sony and Canon continue to innovate, Fujifilm has carved out a unique niche with its distinctive approach. The X Pro 4 is more than just a camera. It's a statement piece. Its hybrid viewfinder and rangefinder design give it a unique edge, making it appealing to those who value both functionality and aesthetics. For Fujifilm, the challenge will be to strike the right balance between price and features. If they can achieve this, the X Pro 4 has the potential to redefine what's possible in the APS-C segment. Conclusion: the Fujifilm X Pro 4 is shaping up to be a landmark release in the world of photography and videography. Its rumored features promise a compelling blend of classic design and cutting-edge technology that is difficult to match. Whether you're a professional photographer, an aspiring videographer, or someone who appreciates beautifully designed tools, the X Pro 4 has something to offer. Its combination of style, performance, and innovation makes it a versatile choice for creatives of all kinds. What are your thoughts on this exciting new camera? Share your opinions in the comments below and stay tuned for more updates on the latest in photography technology.